Our living God, Yahweh, He wants us to unite, to become a unity, join together for His glory, obeying the living word that will lead us to the kingdom of heaven. We have to live in the internal, not the external. The external belongs to the adversary. It gives and it wants to take back. It's an illusion of things that we cannot control because it doesn't belong to us. Outside of Jesus, we are empty. We are empty vessels, the walking of the living dead, with no direction, no purpose, nothing. Yahweh, our living God's intention was for us to unify, come together. That is why he told Moses to go to Egypt and to tell Pharaoh, let my people go. So he could bring us back to him for his glory, for his will, and for his purpose, and only through those things, through our lives, whether we want to accept it or not. We wonder why the suffering of the world is so cold, so unsoothing, so critical, so unidentifiable, so hurtful to the bone, to the soul. That's because we are unyoked. We are ungoverned by Jesus, Yahuwah, his only begotten Son, who did it all for us. He bore the curse of the world unto himself, so we can come into him and have blessings. We wasn't designed. That was not Yahweh's plan for us to come here and live alone and to gain alone. What is a man to gain the world but lose his soul? What profit shall he receive? Nothing. Nothing he came in with, nothing he shall leave out with. The whole point and experience of this journey is to see how you will be obedient through his word, by his living word, and only his living word. So we can return back to the kingdom. What he promises us when his son, Yahuwah, returns. To have paradise here on earth. How can we expect to walk through the door? Knock, knock, I'm here. I am here to come into the kingdom, but you have not served in which he has called you to serve. Not to be served, but to serve. We have to remember it's all for one and one for all, not me, myself, and I. Those cardinal thoughts are from the external. Those are the adversary trickeries for you to bite on, to chew on, to absorb it, to feed off of, to illusion to think that you are gaining. But really, we are losing. We're losing the fight. We're losing our way. We are off path. Jesus says, Would it be right for me to leave the 99 and go and search and seek the one? My Father in heaven will glorify that. This moment of age that we are living in, people, it's time to get right, church, and let's go home. This fight isn't about us. This fight isn't at all for us. But it has everything to do with the kingdom for Yahweh's glory. I'm just a messenger. Until we get right, we could beg and plead for Yahweh to hear us and to grant us our wish like a genie. Oh, yeah. Most of us only want him for what we need and desire. Other than that, I don't want nothing to do with you. But the high expectation is to go to heaven or to become in the kingdom of heaven. How is it that you want from the master and want his delicacies but don't want nothing to do with him? How? You know, it was a saying back in the day, how can a black cow give yellow butter, eat green grass, give yellow butter, and give white milk? How? That's all mysterious. But just like with us, get right, church, and let's go home. We cannot do it alone. Chasing that wind. And the little time that we have here on the earthly realm, not form, earthly realm, excuse me. When it is time, he's going to ask, what have you done with my son? Have you lived out the purpose and through my will of why you live? Did you give me all the glory? Did you go out and spread the good news? When you was weary, when you was lost, did you try to find me so I could put you on the right path for your calling? Did you seek me for guidance? Did you take me in rooms where I would be pleased? Did you negotiate? Or did you sell your soul? And the fight, did you fight a good fight? Do you love him more than you love yourself? That is how I'm going to end this. Thank you, Holy Ghost. This is how I'm going to end this message. And I hope all will be well unto your soul. Until we meet yet again, I hope each and every last one of you stay well. In Yahweh.